Good day, my people. I'm here to talk about the meaning of language and dialect. Now, what is a language? A language is a means of communication in a nation. Now, what is a nation? A nation is a group of people with the same ancestry, culture and tradition, language and way of life. That makes up a nation. Now, what is a dialect? A dialect is a region in that nation. When you hear Igbo nation, you know that Igbo nation speak a language called Igbo language. And in that Igbo nation, there are dialects. The dialects are Ukwuani, Eka, Enuani, Ikwere, Oba, Opobo, Nri, Olu, Nsukka, Ngwa, Afikpo, Izi, Eza, Egbema, Ndoni, and so many others. All these are regions. And like I said earlier, regions are the dialects. Like now, Ukwuani region. When we say Ukwuani region, it's called Ukwuani region because the name of their own Igbo dialect is called Ukwuani. A nation and a language are the same thing. Nigeria is not a nation. Nigeria is not a nation. Nigeria is just a country, amalgamation of different people that have nothing in common. So you can never say Nigerian language. No, there is nothing like Nigerian language. Nigeria has no language, but Igbo is a nation. That's why I said that a language is the means of communication in a nation. And in that nation, you have dialects. The dialects in that nation is called region. That's why they say Igbo nation, Igbo race. What is a race? A race is the same thing as nation because a race makes up a nation. Ukwuani region, Eka region, Enuani region, Afikpo region, Olu region, Ikwere region. All these are regions and they have their own dialects. And when they speak their dialects, other Igbo regions hear and understand them. There is no special way of speaking Igbo. There's nothing like this is the way of speaking Igbo. No. Because all those dialects makes up Igbo language. All those dialects makes up the language of a nation. Why is it the language of a nation? Because they all understand each other. When Ukwuani people speak, Nsukka people hear, even when they don't live close to each other. When Ikwere people speak, we understand. Even without stepping our foot in their region, when they speak, we hear and understand. When any part of Igbo land speak, we all hear and understand. Why do we understand it? It's because it's our language, but it's being spoken in a way slightly different from ours. Different here means they call head isi, we call head ishi. Are you following me? Difference here means they call leg opa, we call leg oko. They call clothes afe, we call clothes awo. When we say it, they understand. When they say we understand. It's all Igbo language, but different dialects. There's not like Ikwere language. Well, you can say Ikwere language, but you can never say Ikwere is not Igbo language. You can say Ukwuani language, but you cannot say Ukwuani is not Igbo language. Igbo is a name that binds all of us together. When they say Igbo speaking people come out, Ikwere people will come out. Even this one that they are saying that they are not Igbos, they will come out because they are Igbo speaking people. Ukwuani will come out. Ika will come out. Enuani will come out. But when they say Ukwuani people only Ukwuani people, a region of Igbo land will come out. Because they only asked for a region. But when they say Igbo people come out, each and every one of us that speaks Bia will come out because we are Igbo people. The entire country knows we are Igbos. We too, we know we are Igbos. Propaganda have done so much harm to us, to the extent that so many of our people are saying they are not Igbos because they are not enlightened. We are here to enlighten our people and make them understand that Ukwuani language is Igbo language. The name of your region is the name of your Igbo dialect. That's why Ukwuani people, our dialect is called Ukwuani, but it's Igbo language. Nsukka people, their dialect is called Nsukka, and the name of that region is what their dialect is being called. As I say, ndị Nsukka, onye abonye Nsukka, ọ na-asụ Nsukka. Mmadụ keni bụ onye Ukwuani, ọ na-asụ Ukwuani. Mmadụ keni bụ onye Ika, ọ na-asụ Ika. Mmadụ keni bụ onye Ikwere, ọ na-asụ Ikwere. Mmadụ keni bụ onye Abakaliki, ọ na-asụ Abakaliki. Keli bụ onye Izi, ọ na-asụ Izi. Keli bụ onye Eza, ọ na-asụ Eza. Keli bụ onye Ọlụ, ọ na-asụ Ọlụ. Ọsa mmadụ na-asụ Kewe. Igbo fia na efia, anyị bụ ndị Igbo afia na efia Igwe. Ukwuani did not stop in Ukwuani. Ukwuani is the entire Igbo land. As far as our language is Igbo, every Igbo speaking person is our brother. Every Igbo speaking person is our family. That's why I said that Ukwuani did not stop in Ukwuani. Nsukka did not stop in Nsukka. That's their region. But as far as we are all Igbo speaking people, Nsukka people are our brother. That's why when there is any issue in Ukwuani, entire Igbo speaking people are concerned because we are one people. Same thing in other Igbo regions. Osani bofu Ukwuani bekuchi ayabu ndi Igbo obemechi unde umwene nde Igbo ke wapusa. Let's say just sani buwene. So our people should understand this, that a language and a dialect is the same thing. Just like Igbo Izugbe now. Igbo Izugbe is Igbo language and this Igbo dialect. Igbo Izugbe is being used in school. Igbo Izugbe is an Igbo dialect carved out for easy understanding in Igbo land. Not that Igbo Izugbe is better than our own dialect. Not that Igbo Izugbe is better than Ukwuani dialect. Not that it's better than Eka or Enuani or any part of Igbo land. Not that it's better than our dialect, but for easy communication. Igbo Izugbe is also a dialect like Ukwuani. So don't say that I can't speak Igbo Izugbe. It means I don't know how to speak Igbo. No! Even if you don't know how to speak Igbo Izugbe, if you are speaking Ukwuani, you are speaking complete Igbo language. An Igbo person will understand you. If you speak Nri, an Igbo speaking person will understand you. You must not speak Igbo Izugbe to show that you are more Igbo or you know how to speak Igbo. Just like some people that are not informed will tell you, if you don't speak Igbo Izugbe, you are not speaking it correctly. No! Those people are not wise. They don't know what they are saying. Just like in the 4 market days, we have Eke, Olie, Afo, Nkwo. We are Anambra people, we say Olie, O-L-I-E. So some people will be like, no, it's not Olie, it's Orie. In Igbo Izugbe, it's written as Orie. No! That thing is dividing us. You must know that we have been saying Olie before Igbo Izugbe was brought to be used in schools for easy communication. You can't tell me because in Igbo Izugbe, head is written as Isi. So if I now say Ishi, I'm no longer correct. No, stop that if you are doing it. It's dividing the Igbo race. You must know that Igbo Izugbe is a dialect and must not be forced on anyone. It's being taught in schools, fine. But you must know that my dialect is me. My dialect is Igbo and I must represent it wherever I find myself. If I go to Nsukka, I will speak Ukwuani for them. And when I speak Ukwuani for them, they will speak Nsukka for me. So telling me that Igbo Izugbe must be used or Igbo Izugbe is the best and most correct Igbo speaking way is very wrong. So I'm making this video to educate our people to desist from such acts. Igbo Izugbe is Igbo language. Igbo Izugbe is Igbo dialect. Ukwuani is Igbo language. Ukwuani is Igbo dialect. We will always be here to enlighten our people. We are one people. Thank you, my people. Ishiagwale.